that bad boy up.
What did you just do?
Okay, it's in circulation.
Yeah, release all the release the charge. It's called releasing the charge. You will get that order in the field. Go release the charge. Go pull a vacuum. Go pump down. You know how to do it. You've been introduced.
Okay, now you, this is for 7/8.
3/4. 3/4 right there.
So now the way you bring it down, same thing. You just adjust oxygen acetylene. Okay, you bring it down. That's a good 3/8 point right there. Yeah. You burn right there.
Take it out.
Alright. You got 19 in your truck?
Now you quickly determine that that's the low speed wire. Excellent. Now you put back the high speed wire so that you know the difference, and you do it instantly. You do it quick without having to travel all the way outside to the breaker or whatnot. No, it'll be connected, and it's up to you to put the right wire. And I do it a lot of times. I just do it real quick like that. I take it out, put it back in, so the customer can see the difference.
When we're out in the field, you recommend always tie wrap all this to the black tape.
Yes.
Protect it from a safe place.
Exactly.
Away from the blow or anything else.
Excellent. Very nice. Okay, who's next? All right. Careful now, okay? Make sure you hold on to that black wire so it doesn't touch metal. Yeah. Excellent. And like this, you can go to the customer and you can say, look, I have a low speed and I have high speed. Which one do you want? Do you want me to put it on this speed or that speed? And you can show them the difference. And they'll see you as a professional, and they'll be like, oh, they'll be laughing and be like, oh yeah, I wouldn't do that. Yeah, you know, you're crazy for doing that. Most customers will tell you that.
Yeah,
but
that's the way to impress the ladies and housekeepers doing such a stuff.
Nice.
Yeah, this is live. So what? They don't want that big girl. Exactly.
Who's next? Make sure you hold on to that wire. Make sure it doesn't touch metal. Excellent. Nice work. Very good. Now I'm gonna explain to you guys why I'm having you do this afterwards. Another reason why. This is only one reason. There's other reasons why. I'm gonna show you why. Okay, who's next?
Go ahead.
Woo!
That's your reaching, is where you are?
Huh? Yep, you're gonna change from low speed to high speed. Now remember, this is your low speed right here. Yes, sir. You guys are on video, just letting you know. Okay?
Oh, I'm sorry, sir.
Right now, the whole world is looking at you guys right now. Nice work. Bye, guys. All right, who's next? Looks like it's just you and me, Brian. You've done that before.
Yeah, a couple times.
A couple times.
Excellent. Nice work. Thank you. Who's next? Next.
Like hotel, like I see you do this small anything, but you do this. Oh, yeah.
Excellent. Nice work. Who's next?
I don't got my glasses on.
That's the money, okay?
They have the job.
Yes, sir.
Maintenance, I checked today.
Excellent. Very nice. Who's next? Everybody went? Ah, we're missing one guy.
They're looking for residential and commercial technician.
Nice. And everything. They hook you up.
You're about maintenance, right?
Excellent work. Very nice.